So I wanted to show you guys the new garlic prep tool. It's really cool. This does not replace our favorite garlic press. This is different. This end opens for dicing garlic. You turn it over, and this end you can slice garlic. This handy little drawer comes out. This is how small it is though. It fits anywhere. You take this off. You take your brush out. Garlic peeler. I've been using this, so it's a little, and if you've used the other garlic peeler, it works the same. You put your garlic in, go like that a few times. You can kind of hear the paper when it's come off, and there you have your garlic clove. So I have a few already peeled. So you put your little drawer in here. On this end is the dicer. You put your garlic clove on the top and you close it. Diced garlic. It's pretty amazing. Very simple tool. Very well designed. You want to do sliced garlic, you turn it over, you put the little drawer back in, open the top, put your garlic on the top, and slice. Nice sliced garlic. The third thing you can do is make garlic paste. Let me just get this empty. And the way you do that, that's what this little cover is for. You put it on the little drawer. That's my opinionated pug, Owen. And you take it and you rub it across here. It's a little tiny shredder. It's really cool. So if you need garlic paste for a recipe, this is how to get it. You take your brush and you just push it through the hole into your container. And that's it. So you can do so many different things. Between this and the garlic press, you're set. And that's it.